What is going on, guys? This is Trezor and I'm back again with an episode video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Discord bot, how to add it to your server, and how to give it some commands. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, you must have Discord account and then create your own server. So to create your own server, just go to this plus sign and then click there. You can see that you have to choose which option your server is gonna belong to. So let's say I just want to create my own, and then you have to, or again, you have to choose which category your server is gonna be. Maybe it's for me and my friends, or you can select for a club and community. So for now, I just want to choose for me and my friends, and then you can give it any name you want. So my server, let's say it's called sample server. Okay, click create, and then boom, you can see that I have already created my sample server. So you can just go ahead and create another channel, but I'm not going to go in deep of how to create channels because it's pretty simple. I think if you try it by yourself, you're gonna know how to create all this kind of stuff. So for now, let's maybe say we just want to create one channel where our bot will be working in. So just go ahead and click on this plus sign here on text channels. Just click here on plus sign and then give your channel name. Let's say use bot here. So my channel name is gonna be use bot here. This is where our bot will be working. Okay, so just click here on create channel, and then you can see that we have two channels. One is general and another one is use bot here. So we have created our server, which is this one, and you can even click on it, and then you can just click here and go to server settings and then give it any profile picture you want. Okay, so let's say we have created our channel, our server, and then channel. So now we have to create our bot. So to create bot, just go to this website, discord.com/developers, discord.com/developers. Okay, then press enter. You can see that you have to log in before you do anything. Okay, but before you log in, just make sure you're going to log in with this account details, account where you have created your server, and then go ahead and log in. So you can see that they bring you back here, but if you go back to discord.com/developer again, you'll be able to see your developer dashboard. Boom, this is it. So now you can see that if I click here, you can see that this is my account, which is this one. So that's why I said if you have more than two accounts, just make sure you have login with your account with this server you have created. So you can see that now I am in my developer dashboard. So first thing you have to do, just go here and click on new application. Click here on new application and then give it any name. Let's say maybe sample. We can give it sample name, sample as a name. Then click here on create, and then boom. So now this is not our bot, this is just application. So if you go to this left side, you can see that there is 5 settings. If you go to bot, and then you can see that there is a button which says add bot. If you click add bot, yes, do it, then you can see that this is our bot, but you can just give it any name you want just to separate your server name and bot. Maybe let's say sample bot. Okay, so if you click save change, we have now created our bot. Okay, alright, so now we have created our bot, but there is no any connection between our bot and our server. If you go back to your server, you can see that there is no bot here, and the reason why is because we did not invite our bot to our server yet. So to invite your bot to your server, we are going to use this website called botghost.com. So just go to this website and you can see that you have to sign up. Just click there, and if you scroll it down, you can see that we have to paste our bot token here. Okay, you can see that you have to paste your bot token here. So how to get your bot token? So if you go back to Discord developers dashboard, you can see that underneath here there is token, right? You can see that there is token here. So you can copy from here or you can regenerate it. So let's say after showing my token, I'm gonna need to change it. So to change it, you're gonna just click here on regenerate. If you click on regenerate, it's gonna give you the new token ID. So for now, let's just click here on copy and go back to bot cost and paste it here. So I think you should not share your bot token to anyone, just keep it private, and then go ahead and click on create bot. There you go. So now let me zoom out. So now if you go to this side, right side, you can see that there is profile here. Just click there and make sure you can see your bot, sample bot. Okay, so cross this. So for now we are going to create what we call commands, custom commands. So you can just click here right away, or you can just go on the left side here and then scroll it down a little bit and click on custom commands. Just click there and then scroll it down. You can see that we have two options. One option is to create our trigger. Trigger, it's something that if your friend or user send this kind of message or any word you want, but we know that it should reply to that user. All right, that's what we call trigger. Let's say if someone send hello, in our server, but we just know that it should reply to this guy who said hello. Okay, and then just give it any description you want. Let's just say this is greeting. Yeah, so our trigger, it's hello, and if someone send hello, our trigger, I mean our bot, we know that it should reply to anyone who said hello in our server. So just go ahead and click here on next step to options. You can just keep add option and then click here on the next step actions and click here on add action. So you can see that if you scroll down, there is action type. So just click here and you can choose any response actions you want. So let's say if someone use our trigger, which is hello, you want that bot replies him with a plain text response, or you want bot that can maybe reply him or her with a direct message. So this is where you just choose that kind of response you want. So for now, let's say I want that our bot will reply with plain text response. Just choose that one, and then if you scroll it down, you can see that we have to add our plain text response. This is everything bot will say after someone use our trigger, which is hello again. Okay, so let's say if someone send hello in our server, our bot will reply this: hi, you are welcome to our sample server. This is what bot will reply if someone send hello. Okay, so if you scroll it down, you can see that there is preview, which shows you how it's gonna look like here. So click here on additional options, and then there is nothing to change here. It's like to restrict some permissions, or I don't know, just ignore this one and then click here on create/command. Save change, and then if you scroll it down, you can see that we have our active commands. So for now we have created only one, which is active, and our trigger is hello. So now we are going to invite our bot to our server. You can see that we don't have our bot yet, so we are going to invite this bot to our server. So to invite this bot to your server, just go on the left side here and you can see that there is invite. If you click there, you are going to log in again and then scroll it down and you can select which server you want to invite this bot to. So if you have maybe more than one server, you will just click here and select which server you want to add this bot. So for now we have created sample server. I just have to select sample server and then continue and then authorize. Wait a little bit and then check that you are a human. Boom, there you go. So if I go back to my server and go in general, you can see that some sample bot have just joined the server, and you can see on the right side that there is sample bot here. So now if I type slash, again I forgot to tell you guys, if I go back to bot ghost dashboard, we will have to use this slash as prefix. You can see that there is slash here. We're gonna use this slash as a prefix, but you can change it anytime you want and make it anything you want, like maybe $sign or anything you want. So don't worry about that. But for now, we have to use this slash as a prefix. So if you go back to the server and let's say someone just send slash hello, remember that hello, it was our prefix. So I mean our trigger. So if you type slash hello and then send, you can see that our sample bot will reply with hi, you are welcome to our sample server, which we made in our settings, right, in our custom command settings. Remember that we have just said if someone say hello in our server, our bot will just say hi, you are welcome to our sample server. So guys, this is how to make a simple Discord bot, but there is many things you have to know before you make any good working or any bot which can perform like a lot of works. So this video was just to create a simple bot which can reply to anyone who send any message you want. Like I mean, you just targeted, let's say somebody just say, are you available today? If someone send that kind of text, your bot's gonna reply him with maybe anything you want. So that's it. And if you want me to help you create any command, I mean any bot you want, you can just go ahead and send me an email and let's talk and see what we can do. Thank you guys for watching and peace out.